Hey, good looking. I'm so glad that you came to my kitchen today to see what I have cooking. Grab a hold of that vine, swing onto my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. I'm gonna sit there and show you how we can turn one big old beef brisket and we can get several meals out of it. So let's get cooking. Good looking. Well, hey there, good looking. I'm so glad that you came to my kitchen today for another budget stretcher. So let's go ahead and let's get started. I have here a beef brisket, and I'm going to sit there and cut it up and show you how we can get quite a few meals out of this one beef brisket. Okay, this beef brisket is about 15.5 pounds, and we're gonna sit there and show you how I get all this down here. We're gonna be, I don't know if you can sit there and see. Let me readjust. Okay, let's recap. Now, when I unpackage this, I'm gonna remove this flat end of the brisket, and I'm going to take that right over to my meat slicer, and we're going to sit there and shave it up into nice thin strips as what I would use in a beef roulade recipe. And yes, I do have a video of that up. I'll be sure to leave that up in an iCard. And we're going to remove, let me flip this bad boy over, most of the fat that's on the back here. We're not going to remove it all because we need some of that fat for flavor, but we're going to want to sit there and have some parts of the meat showing like this. That way the seasonings and everything that you would put on it would sit there, go deep into the meat, and yet the fat that we have left on is also going to help give it a flavor to savor on. So I'm going to take this over to the sink. I'm going to open it up. I'm probably going to have to sit there and cut this in half, and we'll take it from there. And I'm not sure if I had the camera turned on when I was slicing this all up, but anyways, I sliced up some of it real thin, like what we had the beef roulade that I made. But anyways, I sliced that up real thin. I have enough for 3 good hearty meals of that, and I have a good pile of stew meat, and that was just from that one half that we did. Now I'm going to sit there and come over and do the other half, but first I'm going to sit there, bag this all up to get it out of my way, because I don't have that much butcher block, as you see. Okay, here's the other half. Now I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to cut most of the fat off on the other side, just as I did with the other half over there. And basically what this is going to be is this part I'm going to keep into like a brisket, so I can sit there and make like a roast and whatnot. I'm going to get a few steaks out of it, and then the rest of it is for stew meat. Alright, now as you see, I have some more stew meat. I cut up some nice thick juicy steaks that we will be able to enjoy, and I have 2 good size roasts that we're going to be having. And I have back here the 3 packages of the thinly sliced beef brisket that I'm going to sit there and use for my own beef roulade. And over there I have another stew meat set off to the side, and I'm going to be making something tonight with that, so that's going to be a video. Now I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to bag all this up and get it prepared for my freezer. And that's the whole beef brisket right here. I have 3 packages of the beef brisket steaks that we're going to be using for future beef rouladen meals. I have 2 beef brisket roast. I have, I believe it was 9 beef brisket steaks, and then I have 2 good packages of beef brisket stew meat. Not so bad. Now, if you liked what you saw here today, give me a thumbs up. Be sure to share, like, and subscribe. And if you're a new subscriber to my channel, welcome. And if you're not yet a subscriber to my channel, go up, hit that subscribe button, tap that little bell. That way you'll always be notified every time I do put on a new video. And here's to happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatings. Y'all come back now. You hear?